Explain what midnight sledding is.
Midnight sledding is the most amazing experience you've ever had in your life. It's, how do we explain it?
Epic sledding.
Well, when you were a little kid, you know,
Yeah.
and you,
It's sledding on crack.
and you went down those awesome little sled hills, and you had a blast, and you got bounced off the tubes and everything. This is the adult version. Little kid sledding times 10.
No, a
equals
lot more than 10.
at night on a ski resort, going, hopefully we break at least 50 miles an hour tonight. Basically, if you're not going to the top, then you're just going to wait here for a few minutes. So then we'll stop back by and pick everybody up and then head down. And maybe we'll get lucky and it'll die down.
Yeah, whoever's staying here, if they need an extra layer,
yeah,
you probably might.
my wishful thinking hasn't paid off so far tonight, but you never know.